going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. So we got this main pipe completely full of water. We are gonna disconnect here and hopefully we don't get wet. Zoltan!
Hey, what's up, brother?
What's going on?
You didn't call me, man.
Huh?
You didn't call me.
I just got here.
Oh, okay. Fuck, man, they are fucking killing me, though. Where is this? Where is that? What is why? Why it's not? Why it's that?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, fuck my life. What's the plan? Same as last time?
Unfortunately.
How's everything?
Not bad. You?
I had better days. Oh, rain! Let it rain over me. You know that song?
Oh.
Mark Anthony?
That the rain's down in Africa? That song?
Huh?
The rain's down in Africa?
No.
Yeah.
The Mark Anthony and Pitbull. Let it rain over me. What the fuck is going on again with that fucking pipe?
So it's full? Those are all full?
Huh?
They're full? The bathtubs and toilets?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore?
Not anymore.
Oh.
It's half for now.
Half?
Yeah, kind of. One is empty, other one is almost empty. One is kind of half, not 100% half. I'm alone, I didn't have a choice to fucking suck it out. I was running for the fucking, how they call it, unit keys.
Yeah.
Because none is open, the unit.
Oh, no one was home?
No one was there, yeah, no. When I fucking opened the door and get the right key, the lady was behind me. She said, I'm home now. What the fuck, thank you. Come down, better. good one.
The wipes.
Yes, sir. It's wipes again.
That's what we pulled out last time, right? Wipes?
Yes, yes. Yeah, it's still there.
Is that your phone?
Sorry?
Is that your phone?
Yeah, it's mine. Mahmoud texting me.
Huh?
Mahmoud texting me.
Who's that?
The manager. Oh wow. Oh, that's your camera.
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck?
Making
is
a
that?
video out of this one.
Yeah, is it nice? Yes, sir.
Well, at least we got a routine now of how we're gonna
Next time with blind eyes.
do it. Yeah.
With closed eyes. Everything.
All right.
But the poo-poo goes in that? No.
Huh?
The shit is not going there.
What do you mean?
You said it's a kitchen and bathroom all in that pipe.
Yeah.
So that means the toilet is connecting as well?
Yeah.
In that small pipe?
No. Toilets. This pipe.
Which one? Oh,
This
okay.
one. The kitchen's tying into this one.
Uh-huh.
But this one, the toilet here,
Uh-huh.
it ties into that big one, just kind of right where at the yellow line there.
Oh.
Right above there, they all tie into there.
So it should be a bigger one?
No,
No?
no, that's the code. Just
Oh, okay.
people are flushing garbage and.
Everything, yeah.
All right.
Ooh,
Can I pass this to you?
yeah, sure, of course.
Thank you. There you go, guys. All done. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.